Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Sai. In today's tutorial I'm gonna be walking you guys through how to create a Facebook shop by linking your Shopify store with your Facebook page. Let's get right into the video. So now I'm in my Shopify dashboard. So when you log into your Shopify dashboard, you just come to your sales channels. So clicking on your sales channels, you see the Facebook shop. So you just click on the Facebook shop plus. So it adds the Facebook shop channel to your Shopify store. So after it's added to your Shopify store, you have to link the Facebook shop channel to your Facebook page. So that is what we're gonna be doing right now. So we have to connect accounts. We'll get it connected with our Facebook account. As you can see, my Facebook account is already connected. So the Facebook account is already logged in, so you just have to continue. So now I choose my page which I want to create a shop on. So now I just click on the connect page, then you toggle this on, then you click on done. So after linking your Facebook with your Shopify, let me show you my Facebook page right away so you can see what I'm talking about. So Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page. So as you can see, let me go right to my shop. So as you can see, I am to set up my shop. So let me just click on the continue button. This is a Facebook business page. So when you are creating a shop, you have to open a Facebook business page, so you will be able to link it to your store and create a Facebook shop on it. So I'm to add products. So now let's hop right back to Shopify. So now we just have to connect our page, which is this. Then you click on the connect page. So you just accept the terms and the policy, and boom, the page is connected. So Facebook is reviewing your shop. It can take up to 48 hours for your store to be reviewed. Your products won't appear on Facebook until your shop is being approved. So now I just have to refresh. So now the Facebook shop will be processing already. So it will be processing already. It's already connected and enabled, but it will be processing. Not all your products will appear just once on the Facebook shop. So now, so when it's connected, you have to go back to your products. You go to your products, then you have to select all. Then you come to actions. Then you make products available on Instagram, Messenger, online store, and Facebook shop. So you make products available. So making products available will make your product being seen on the Facebook shop, but without making your collection available, your product won't be able to be seen. So you just go to your collection also. So you click on select all, then you make your products available then on Facebook shop and all that. So you just click on make collections available. So now the collections are all available, and both collections and products are all available. So you just have to come back to the Facebook shop. So we visit the shop from here. So you see that some products will be processing already, if not all. So we have some products processing already. Okay, now we got products processing already. So these products are already processing. It will take few hours to get processed finish. So when it's processed, your customers will be able to view your products right from your Facebook, and they'll be able to order your products right from Facebook. Depending on how you set it, you can set it for them to order your product right from there, or you just redirect them back to your your Shopify store, then they order from your Shopify store, or they can just call you directly from your Facebook shop to place an order. So each of these you can use. So this is how the products will look like on your Facebook page. So this is now a Facebook business page having a store processing already. So I'm sure you guys have learned how to integrate your Shopify store with your Facebook page to make a Facebook shop. So I'll be happy if you guys can give this video a turn up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell to put on the notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.